Hello traders.
Cryptocurrency scalping does not require complex strategies. It is enough to know how to trade on Binance, standard indicators and confirmation from the xSignals service. To access the signals, we register on the site.
All you need is email and password. To access all the features of the service, it is recommended to purchase one of the Pro versions. In addition to the web version, there are desktop applications for all popular operating systems. For more information, visit the website. Let's move on to installing the indicators of our strategy. The strategy uses two basic technical indicators. EMA cross. The trend indicator indicates a possible price reversal. The price above the moving average is a continuation of the uptrend. Below is the downtrend. Stochastic RSI determines the market overbought, oversold. It is a combination of two standard oscillators. The relative strength index is determined first, and then stochastic is calculated using it. This allows you to additionally remove the market noise, to confirm the reversal more precisely. Do not change the basic parameters of the indicators. After installing the tools, the terminal's working window looks like this. We trade on Litecoin. The currency is consistently in the top 5 in terms of capitalization and trading volume, although it is in the shadow of Bitcoin. As the practice trading has shown, it is more technical than Bitcoin. You can additionally use volume indicators, but the classic moving average plus oscillator combinations work better on scalping.
The signals are simple even for beginner traders.
We open the position 2 to 3 candles below the EMA cross.
The oscillator must exit the overbought, oversold zones.
When the stochastic RSI moves between the 20 and 80 levels and the price bounce from the moving average, you can open trade to continue the trend. We will open positions on the Binance crypto exchange, the leader in client activity and trading volume. Comments on opening an order. Leverage value can be increased if the deposit allows. Remember, with a large leverage, not only profit grows, but also losses. The position volume of 10% is also only recommended. Volume can be increased up to 20% on a strong trend. Price reversal down. There is no breakdown of all moving averages yet, but the reversal dynamics shows the beginning of a downtrend. There is a sell confirmation from the oscillator and xSignals. The volume of the position, in money, is shown, taking into account leverage. Your margin value may be different, depends on leverage. We chose scalping where transactions last from 3 to 10 minutes.
It is important not only to open a deal correctly, but also to close it on time. Trades are opened on the market without setting take profit, stop loss levels, closed manually. Follow the profit if there is no obvious growth. Close the position.
The main thing is not to have a loss, but there will still be a profit. The direction is determined correctly, but the reversal has slowed down. The profit is not growing, it will be closed.
Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
We closed without losses with a small profit. We are waiting for the next signal. The second purchase transaction.
It was necessary to open quickly. Let's look at the signals.
On the chart, all the conditions for the continuation of the uptrend. The price after the rollback moves above the average. Stochastic RSI leaves the oversold zone. Buy confirmation on xSignals. The deal turns into profit, be patient. Let the profits grow.
At the same time, be ready to close.
In scalping, the average profit margin is 10 to 15 points. Given the price of the lot and the selected amount of leverage in the money, this is from 25 to 45 USDT.
Profit is holding at this level. Let's wait.
If it is difficult to make quick decisions, you can use automatic scalping advisors on Binance. When choosing, look for the presence of oscillators and moving averages in them. This is a must.
Closing the position.
There is a profit, it is more than in the previous trade. Let's leave the market without losses. Profit on deposit, we continue to trade. The situation is similar to the first deal. A quick reversal with a breakdown of the EMA cross, the oscillator is in the oversold zone.
Downtrend confirmation on xSignals.
Open second sell. The first 2 minutes the trade was at a loss, then the profit began to grow rapidly. Question: continue to hold the position based on profit growth or close now? The two previous transactions were, albeit with a small, but profit. Let's not wait any longer, close at the current profit. The last order is closed by take profit.
Let's summarize.
In 1 hour and 26 minutes, the profit was $343. This is a good result. Subscribe to the channel.